So Carla, I've been hearing some things happened at the office while I was gone.
Yes, Mrs. Washington. But they were only minor to say the least.
How minor are we talking about, Carla?
Well, as you can see on this chart, our main supplier has decided to go up on their price by 52%. Their reason was based on what happened on a recent heist last week.
Recent heist? Well, how much did they take?
According to their security cameras, the group of assailants only got away with at least 5 different boxes of supplies. One of those boxes carried some important items that were needed for our upcoming presentation.
How in the hell could you have let this happen, Carla? I made you manager for a reason. You're supposed to manage each supply order that we've coming to this office. And now some hoodlums got their grimy hands on our product. I want an investigation done immediately. And Ms. Norton, if it happens again, your services will no longer be needed. Are we clear on that?
Yes, Mrs. Washington.
So, how much did our crew get?
Just about 5 boxes.
Any valuables?
Haven't checked them out yet. But I'm sure it was a good score for us.
How in the hell would you know? You didn't even check out the goddamn score. Look, if you're going to be a part of this crew, you got to do your part.
I'm doing my damn part. Not only did I help get you a big score, I got intel that actually works at that hellhole. You must respect that.
Unfortunately, I don't, Miss Garnet. Your little crew was caught on camera, and they're doing an investigation. Now, I have to undo what you guys messed up. If you want to keep your pretty little face recognizable, I suggest you leave now. Good day to you, Miss Garnet.